Welcome to Family English with Mr. Kapada. Today I'm going to present model English questions for remedial students, especially grammar, writing skill and vocabulary. And there are some few questions focusing on communicative English. Number of questions are 60. This is my contact address. Please try to contact using this address, please. So let me start the question. The first part of the question is grammar. Actually, the grammar questions are here. If you hit eyes, it blank. Yeah. If you hit eyes, it blank. What's this? If you just melted, will melt, and would melt. To answer the question, first you treat this question is the conditional question, please. Yeah, conditional question. If it is conditional question, the verb here is simple present, one thing, which is very important. And the second here, you think of the if clause, please. Is this an opinion question or is this a fact question? That's all right, please. If you think on this way, you can directly answer from the given distractor. So the answer is melts. That's exactly true, please. Nice. አሁን የሰጧችሁ ማብራሪያ ምንድነው? መጀመሪያ ይሄ ኮንዲሽናል ጥያቄ መሆኑን መለየት ነው። ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ኢፍ ክሎዝ አለ። እቺ ኢፍ ማለት ኢፍ ፖሲብል ነች። ስለዚህ ጥያቄው የኮንዲሽናል ጥያቄ ነው። ኮንዲሽናል ታይፕ 1 ነው። ለምን? እዚህ ጋር ያለው ቨርቡ ሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ነው። ሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ነው። እሱን ከለየው በኋላ if you hit I ሲል እዚህ ፋክት ነው ጥያቄው ወይስ such an opinion question ነው? right someone's view ነው ኖርማሊ ቪው ከፋክት የራቀ ኦፒኒየን ጥያቄ ነው ወይስ ማምጣት መቻል ነው? if you hit I ስትሉ ለምሳሌ it will melt ነው የሚሆነው። it will melt ስትል እንደዚህ ሊሆን ይችላል። ሊቀልጥ ወይም ሊሟማ ይችላል ነው አይደል? ሊሟማ ይችላል ነው። ግን it's not an opinion actually አንድን በረዶ የሆነ ሙቀት ቦታ ላይ ወይም የሆነ ላይ ብናደርገው ምን ሊሆን ይችላል አይደለም በቀጣይ ይቀልጣል ወይም ይሟማል ነው የምትሉት። ስለዚህ ሜልትስ ነው የምትሉት because this context is general truth ነው please። ወይም ምን እንለዋለን? ዴረ ኮንዲሽናልስ ነው የምትሉት። ዴረ ኮንዲሽናልስ ማለት both cases if clause እና main clause በሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት መገለጽ አለበት። if you insert will melt ካላችሁ it may happen or it can happen ነው። ስለዚህ it tends to be opinion ይሆናል ማለት ነው አይደል? opinion ይሆናል ግን it's not an opinion actually. yes it's not an opinion. that's the way please። በዚህ መልኩ ነው ኢንትሬት የምታረጉት። question number 2 if they blank as yesterday we could have helped. if they blank as yesterday we could have helped. right, this is also similar question, the conditional question. One thing here is if you are talking about the previous or last time, which is called the signal expression, which gives me a clue here. clue ሰጥቶኛል። ሐሳቡ past tense ነው። ሁለተኛ main clause ላይ ስታው እዚህ ጋር could have helped ማለት conditional type 3 ማለት ነው አይደል? conditional type 3 ሆነ ማለት if clause በምን መገለጽ አለበት? is obviously ነው። regretting the past ወይም talking the past ማለት ነው። yes ስለዚህ told simple past ነው። have told present perfect, past perfect and would tell conditional right conditional። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? past perfect exactly past perfect conditional type 3 unfulfilled, impossible, unrecoverable conditionals ነው የምትሉት please። if they had told us yesterday we'd have helped. ያ ትናንት ቢነግሩን ኖሮ መርዳት እንችል ነበር። I'm sorry they didn't tell me and they didn't or we didn't help them ማለት ነው right አልነገሩንም ስለዚህ አላገዝናቸውም። regretting or talking the past ማለት ነው ማለት ስለዚህ the answer is the past perfect here. the past perfect here. Very simple question because information is given in the main clause. Depending on the information you simply answer the question please. yeah question number 3 she said I'll finish. yeah she said I'll finish the work tomorrow. she said I'll finish the work tomorrow. This kind of question is reported speech or reported statement question. A reported statement question ወደ ስቴትመንት ወይም ወደ ሪፖርት ሲቀየሩ pronoun, tense, time expression, adverbs መቀየራቸውን እንዳትረሱ please. Yeah, the first one, the speaker I should be changed into she because the speaker here is she ነች አይደል? እዚህ ጋር አይ ብላ ስታወራ ወደ she ነው የምትቀይሯት። ሁለተኛ will finish ስትሉ prediction ነው ወይም future ነው ወዴት ነው የምትቀይሩት? ወደ conditional ነው የምትቀይሩት። conditional ሁለት ነገር አያችሁ። ሶስተኛ time expression tomorrow የሚለውን ስትቀይሩ the coming day or the next day ብላችሁ ነው የምትቀይሩት። ስለዚህ three things at least መቀየር አለባችሁ። አንደኛ pronoun ስፒከሩ መናገር መቀየር አለበት፣ ቴንስ መቀየር አለበት፣ ታይም ኤክስፕሬሽን መቀየር። እነዚህ ካልተቀየሩ ሪፖርት አላደረጋቸው። ዴፊኒትሊ ልክ ነው። ዴፊኒትሊ ልክ ነው። ስለዚህ she said that she would finish the work, she would finish exactly. She said she would finish conditional the work the next day. Tomorrow can be changed into the next day. Exactly. She said that she would have finished future perfect or conditional perfect. No, ሊሆን አይችልም። she would have finished future perfect. future perfect አይሆንም። she would finish as it is. ቴንሱ አልተቀየረም፣ ወደ future perfect ነው፣ ወደ conditional perfect ነው የተቀየረው። ይሄ ሶስቱ ሊሆን አይችልም። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? ኤ ነው ፕሊዝ። አንደኛ እዚህ ጋር ነው ሲል the first one speaker is I can be changed into she, will finish can be changed into would finish ወደ conditional, tomorrow can be changed into what? The next day. So things are changed here. So this is the way that you report direct speech into report statement forms. At least 4 things must be changed. If you do not change one of the forms, one of the ways here, you cannot report this direct speech, direct speakers speak to another 30 person. Impossible, please. Impossible. This is the rationale behind it, please. I think it belongs tomorrow, so take an umbrella. I think it belongs tomorrow, so take an umbrella. It rains, simple present. It will rain, future. It's raining, present continuous. It has rained, present perfect. One thing here, the very important information here is I think here. Soon መጠቀም ነው ማለት ነው። I think, I don't think, I suppose, I don't, I suppose, or I do not suppose. እነዚህ ስትጠቀሙ ኦፒኒየን ኤክስፕሬሽን ወይስ ኦፒኒየን ወርድስ ናቸው። የትኛውን ነው የምትጠቀሙት? I think. And also there is signal word here. tomorrow እሱም አንድ ሌላ ጉዳይ ነው tomorrow። ስለዚህ present perfect አይሆንም፣ ይሄም አይሆንም፣ ይሄም ሊሆን አይችልም። so the answer is ማን ነው ትሉኝ? it will rain tomorrow please. yeah, I think it will rain tomorrow. Just take an umbrella please. I think it is raining አይደለም። I think it is raining። ይሄኛውማ it is raining ስንል actually future planned action ነው። actually yeah, future planned action ነው። I think የሚለውን verb አንጠቀምበትም። I don't think and I think most of the time future tense ነው የምንጠቀምበት please. I think it will rain tomorrow. Take an umbrella please. ነገ ይዘንባል ብዬ አስባለሁ ነው። No evidence actually. Yes, no evidence, but this is my perception. It's my opinion actually. Yes, my view actually. So I want to forward my view using this I think and future is appropriate and complete and meaningful sentence actually. Yes, nice. She blank 3 books so far this year. Yeah, she belongs 3 books so far this year. She writes simple present. She is writing present continuous. She has written present perfect. She will write and future tense. How many I want please? 3 books. 3 books. Alright. Let me tell you please. Yeah, present perfect አንዱ አጠቃቀሙ how much and how many የሚለውን ጥያቄ የሚመልስ ብቸኛ ቴንስ ነው። how much have you bought it? I have bought it 3,000 because the object belongs to with the person that I'm talking to him or that I'm talking to her. እኔ የማወራው ሰው የማወራት ልጅ ጋር ነው ኦብጀክቱ ያለው። ይሄን ነገር ስንት ገዛው ወይም ስንት ገዛቸው ከሷ ጋር ያለው ሪዘልቱ 2,000 ብር ገዛሁት። alright ብሎ ወይም 2,000 ብር ገዝቼዋለሁ because the result is connected with the time of speaking actually. Okay, I have just ለምሳሌ I have written 3 books ብል ምን ያክል መጽሐፍ ጻፍኩ ብለ 3 መጽሐፎች ጻፍኩኝ ወይም 3 መጽሐፎች ጽፌያለሁ ስትል present perfect ነው። በሌላ አነጋገር how many የሚለውን ጥያቄ መለሰልኝ 3 books ማለት very important. It answers the question how much and how many please. nice. ስለዚህ ይሄን ጥያቄ መልስ ማለት ናቸው the first one present perfect, past perfect and future perfect important ናቸው። one so far, why so far please? This was another signal phrase for for present perfect please ይሄን ነው ሰጣችሁ ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው has written because how many የሚለውን ጥያቄ የሚመልሰው ነው ለምሳሌ how many just I have read these books and I'm on page 82 please how many times have you visited your parents in Addis I have visited my parents 2 times in a month how many times have you visited your parents in Addis I have visited my parents in Addis 2 times yeah it answers the question how many not definitely ስለዚህ ይሄ ነገር ስላለ ነው has written ብዬ መለስኩበት አንድ ሰው እዚህ ጋር የሚያሳየዋችሁ so far ሌላው ጉዳይ ነው by 8 p.m. tonight we blank dinner we have and we will have had we are having and we had by 8 p.m. tonight this is called time expression please expected time expression or signal expression because it shows about the expected something will be completed in the future within the expected time ማለት ነው within the expected time ማለት በተቀመጠለት ሰዓት ብቻ ወደፊት ሊከናወን የሚችልን ድርጊት ምንገልጽበት ነው ነገ 8 ሰዓት ነገ ማታ ምሽት 8 ሰዓት ላይ ቀድሞ አይከናወንም ወይም ዘግይቶ ሊከናወን አይችልም future perfect tense yes right future perfect tense because this is a very important signal expression ደግሜ የምናገረው 12ቱም ቴንሶች የተለያየ signal expression አላቸው ሊያስጠቅሙ የሚችሉ ፍንጭ ሊሰጡ የሚችሉ ማለት ነው exactly please question number 7 he blank home when the storm started yes he worked past tense he was working past continuous he had worked past perfect and he worked simple present አሁን ለባድርጉ present ሊሆን አይችልም ምክንያቱም the storm started past tense ነው past tense ከpresent tense ጋር ሊሄድ አይችልም he worked yes right he worked of course past tense ከpast tense ጋር ይሄዳል ግን worked ስትሉ long action ነው actually yes worked ስትሉ short action አይደለም long it needs a certain time in the past right it needs a certain time so it's not short complete action አይደለም hard workedም ልክ እንደዛ እሱ ነው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው working because working by itself is a progressive action no right event ራሱ progressive ነው በshort complete action express አናደርግም work የሚለውን event ተባለ ስለዚህ he was working home look here he was working home when the storm started ማለት he was in the middle of working home suddenly the storm started ማለት ነው yes right ወደ ቤቱ እየሄደ እያለ በአጋጣሚ ነጎድጓዱ ጀምሮ ነበር ነው ስለዚህ ይሄ ሎንግ ፕሮግሬሲቭ አክሽን ነው ይሄ ሎንግ ፕሮግሬሲቭ አክሽን በፓስት ቴንስ ልንገልጸው አንችልም ፍንጭ የሰጠ ጉዳይ ይሄ እዚህ ጋር ያለ ዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ብቻ ነው please which is called an action which happened suddenly or by chance that can be expressed with simple past በሌላ አገላለጽ simple past እዚህ ጋር ያስቀመጥኩላችሁ ይሄ ከማን ጋር ነው የሚሄደው ከፓስት continuous ጋር ይሄዳል ከፓስት perfect ጋር ይሄዳል ከራሱ ከሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ጋር ይሄዳል but the question the situation matters please the situation matters he worked hard blank he couldn't pass the exam he worked hard blank he couldn't pass the exam he could pass the exam a conjunction question so that means adverb clause of result ነው የምንገልጽበት because cause effect ነው also contrast ነው unless conditions ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ please he worked hard and he could pass the exam this is the result for the cause right the effect for the cause effect relationship if there is cause effect relationship the right conjunction here is so that please so that yeah yes right he worked hard so that he could pass the exam not because he could pass the exam not also he could pass the exam ለምሳሌ also he worked hard he couldn't pass the exam of course right also he worked hard he couldn't pass the exam እንደዛ ልክ ነው also ይሆናል ነገር ግን አይደለም እያለ ያለው question number 9 blank it rained we went for a walk blank it rained we went for a walk despite contrast no also contrast no because reason no so result no blank it rained we went for a walk yeah it rained የሚለው we went for a walk ወደ ውጭ ወጥተናል እንቅስቃሴ አድርገን ነበር we went for a walk የሚላችሁ so what about it rained despite it rained contrast ነው actually that's right ትክክል ነው despite ግን despite ምንድነው now phraseዎችን ተከትለው ነው clause ተከትሎ አይደል clause ማለት subject plus verb structure ነው ይሄ appropriate አይደለም because እንዳትገልጹ reason አይደለም ይሄ so እንዳትገልጹ so የሚፈልግ አይደለም introductory word ነው also it rained ማለት ነው yes also it rained we went for a walk ምንም እንኳን ቢጥልም ወደ ውጭ ወጥተናል ነው ያለው ስለዚህ ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ምንድናቸው ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ናቸው ለዛ ነው also even so of course ይሄን በዲስፓይት ልግለጽ despite the rain ይችላል okay despite the rain we went for a walk okay despite the rain means which is a noun phrase despite the rain we went for a walk ምንም እንኳን ዝናብ ቢጥልም ወደ ውጭ ሄደናል ወይም ወደ ውጭ ወጥተን ነበር ነው ያለው ስለዚህ despite noun phrase ተከትሏል clause ተከትሏል አይደል ማለት ነው next Friday at 6 a.m. next Friday at 6 p.m. they belong a concert yes perform simple present they will be performing future continuous have performed present perfect performed simple past next Friday at 6 p.m. next Friday this is a very important time expression signal expression with here no please ፍንጭ ሊሰጣቸው የሚለው ነገ አርብ ወይ በሚቀጥለው አርብ 6 ሰዓት ከሰዓት በኋላ ወይም 12 ሰዓት ከሰዓት በኋላ I will be or they will be performing a concert ልክ ነው tomorrow here ላታያችኋል next Friday ነው የሚላችሁ next Friday ከfuture perfect ጋር ይገናኝ ለምሳሌ tomorrow at this time tomorrow I'll be doing something in my home or in my office or tomorrow or next time at this time next Friday I will be presenting my research yeah what I will be doing with the future time actually in the future or in short an action will be taking place in a certain time in the future perfect ማለት ነው በተቀመጠለት ሰዓት አንድ ነገር እየተከናወነ የሚቆይ future perfect በተቀመጠለት ሰዓት አንድ ነገር ተከናውኖ የሚያልቅ ከሆነ future perfect completely ይለያያሉ ማለት ነው that is this is blank movie I have ever seen this is blank movie good positive better comparative best superlative and the best superlative yeah blank one thing let me give you a clue here I have ever seen which is present perfect I have ever seen means this is not my only film but I have seen so many films from the film that I have seen from the very many films this film is the best ማለት ነው yes ካየኋቸው በጣም ብዙ ፊልሞች ይህ ፊልም ወደር የሌለው ፊልም ነው ካየኋቸው ብዙ ነገሮች ስንል ሱፐርላቲቭ ዲግሪ እንድትጠቀሙ ያሳያቸዋል ፍንጭ የሰጣችሁ ጉዳይ ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር I have ever seen which is means present perfect go with superlative degree because present perfect it refers or it touches about things or person which are or who are more than 2 beginning from 3 until the infinite number or many in number we can say that superlative degree the best this is the best movie yes right because article is important whenever you signify a sentence with superlative whether the word is short syllable word or longer the most beautiful girl the most handsome guy right the most intelligent person right of the two yes right good nice of the two sisters she is blank she is kind she is kinder and she is kinder and she is the kindest of the two sisters ከሁለቱ እህቶቿ ያለው yes of the two sisters ልብ አድርጉ ሁለት ጉዳይ ነው የምትዋሉት if you compared I think two things and two person which degree of comparative is appropriate ምንም ለእናንተ ነው የምሰጣቸው she is the kinder and ምክንያቱም the kinder then አይወስድም ይሄ please take care please then አይወስድም comparative ዲግሪዎች then በፍጹም ሊወስዱ አይችሉም of the two sisters she is kinder exactly she is kinder that's the rational please okay she is kinder kinder kindest ግልጽኛለ she is kind positive degree ነው ሁለት ነገሮች ነው ከሁለት ሰዎች ነው ያወዳደርኩ ያለው she is a kinder አትሉም kinder ነው የምትሉት the kindest አትሉም ምክንያቱም ሱፐርላቲቭ ዲግሪ አይደለም እዚህ ጋር ያለው Of the two sisters, she is kinder. Exactly, please. This problem is blank than the previous one. Right? Yes, right. More serious than. Nice. More serious. This problem is more serious than the previous one. Right? Let's not go in the problem. ከባለፈው ችግር ጋር ታወዳደሩት more serious ምክንያቱም serious longer syllable word ነው more ይወስዳል ማለት ነው ሌሎቹ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም he drives than anyone I know careful yes more carefully most carefully and what and as careful right he drives blank than anyone I know one thing here is you can just use than የሚለውን ነገር እዚህ ጋር ታያላችሁ ሁለት ነገሮችን ታወዳድራላችሁ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ more carefully ማለታችሁ ነው ይሄ ማለት ማለታችሁ more carefully ማለት more plus adverb plus than ማለት ነው ያ more plus adverb plus than he drives more carefully than anyone I know right anyone I know knows as carefully አትሉም careful አትሉም most carefully አትሉም ስለዚህ more plus carefully is an adverb please because there is than the word than here nice question number 15 the cake blank by my grandmother yesterday the cake blank I'm talking about the action here the action which is the receiver and the agent is not the door of the action it's not the performer it's not the subject it's quite difficult to understand yeah the cake still understand ለማድረግ በጣም የሚያስቸግረን ኢቨንት ነው በሪሲቨር በኤጀንት ነው የተጀመረው ስለዚህ blank my grandmother yesterday አላለ ፓሲቭ ቮይስ እንደሆነ አሁን እንረዳለን ምክንያቱም በሪሲቨር ነው የጀመረው ሐሳቡ ነው ስለዚህ yesterday ካለ is baked አይሆንም ማንም ትሉት was baked simple past ማለት ነው ወይም past passive voice ማለት ነው exactly all right the cake was baked by my grandmother yesterday past passive voice past passive voice exactly please if she blank earlier shouldn't have missed the bus yeah it's clear please wouldn't have missed yeah the out scheme would have plus verb 3 conditional type 3 ማለት ነው ማለት እንዴት አወቃችሁ because the sentence begins with the if clause with special the conjunction if ስለዚህ what's the answer here have left ቀደም ስላየ ነው ብዬ ነው exactly have left ምን ማለት ነው yeah nice if she had left earlier she wouldn't have missed the bus of course she means if she had left earlier በጊዜ በቀድማ የምትሄድ ከሆነ አውቶቡሱን አታልፎ ማለፍ አያልፋትም ሚስ አታደርገውም ነበር ነው ያላችሁ ያለፈው ስለዚህ በጧት አልተነሳችም ስለዚህ አውቶቡሱን አላገኘችውም I'm sorry she didn't get up early and she missed the bus ማለት ነው I'm sorry she didn't get up early and she didn't catch the bus regretting for the past ማለት ነው exactly so the answer is have left past perfect if I were rich I belong around the world if I were rich actually which is simple past that is called an imaginary condition an imaginary output which means that the if clause is simple past the main clause should be would plus verb 1 should plus verb 1 could plus verb 1 might plus verb 1 is absolutely the right structure if you are talking or regretting the present not just improbable condition is possible here the improbable condition ነው የምንጠቀምበት ማለት ስለዚህ if I were rich I'll travel around the world I'm not rich so I will not travel or I can't travel around the world ማለት ነው ሀብታም ነው ስለዚህ ዓለምን ዞሬ ማየት አልችልም ማለት ነው እያለ ያለ ስለዚህ conditional type 2 ማለት ነው ማለት nice great question number 18 unless you blank smoking your health will worsen which is conditional type 1 actually unless you blank smoking all right unless you stopped yes right unless you stop smoking your health will worsen simple present, simple past, future and እነሱ ሊሆናችሁ ፕሊዝ ያ ይሄው ፊውቸር ነው ኮንዲሽናል ፊውቸር ነው ሁለቱ ሊሆናችሁ ምክንያቱም ሜን ክሎዙ በፊውቸር ነው የተገለጸው እዚህ ጋር አይሆንም ሲምፕል ፓስት ማይሆን ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ያለው will plus verb 1 ነው ፕሊዝ will plus verb 1 ነው unless you stop yeah exactly unless you stop smoking your husband will be worsened right your husband will be worsened you will worsen yes right ማጨስ ካላቆምኩባት ጤንነትን ከባድና አስቸጋሪ ሁኔታ ላይ ይሆናል ነው እያለ ያለው ስለዚህ simple present exactly the answer is here question number 90 did you see the accident he asked this is a reported question please reported question did you see the accident one reporting verb is here asked and here is so one thing here if there is ሁለተኛው reported question ሲሆን you can just there is a need of change tense pronouns tenses and time expression አንደኛው rule ነው ሁለተኛው second rule drop subject plus verb or drop do the question word do does and did the third rule use wh question plus subject plus verb instead of wh question plus verb plus subject I want to know if the question is yes or no question use the conjunction if or whether without a difference of meaning we show that the question is yes or no question exactly አሁን የተናገርኩት basic rules reported question ወደ reporting statement ስንቀይር መሰረታዊ ጉዳዮች እነዚህ ሆነ አለባቸው ስለዚህ የመጨረሻው ህግ ምንድነው የሚላቸው yes or no question ከሆነ ይሄ ወደ reporting statement ሲቀይሩት if or whether አያያዥ ቃል መሆን አለበት pronoun ይቀየራል tense ይቀየራል time expression ይቀየራል በጣም ጥሩ he asked that አንልም conjunction that አይሆንም ተበላሸ he asked me that አልሆንም እዚህ ጋርም ተበላሸ he asked me exactly he asked me if ተጠቀምኩኝ እዚያ because the question is yes or no question as I told you you can just use if or whether when the question is yes or no question አንድ ትልቅ ነገር አይተናል the speaker here is you can be changed into I and the question word here is simple past question ሁለት ህግ ያለው if the question is simple past whenever you report this you can just use the same tense simple past to simple past one option the other if the question is simple past just like this you can convert or change this tense into the past perfect so we have two ways exceptional for simple past question please so you can just use one of the two ways of converting one is direct statement one is direct question to reporting statement so the answer is exactly this one please yeah he asked me if I had seen the accident nice please exactly please a new hospital blank in our town right now exactly a new hospital still I'm talking about the action the receiver the agent but the performer not አይደለም agent receiver no passive voice no ለማያጠራጥረኝም and also የትኛው passive voice right ነው ካል time speaking ማለት ነው at the moment ማለት ስለዚህ is being built the present continuous passive voice or present progressive passive voice ትሉታላችሁ ምክንያቱም right now here a new hospital is being built in our town right now one thing very important build ሳትሉ because any hospital is not the dural the mayor or the people or the villagers built ነው የምትሉት አይደል or we built or I built ነው የምለው I built ነው የምለው I built the manager the company built ልነው የምንለው has built yes right ስለዚህ the answer is being built which is present progressive passive voice she is intelligent and she lacks experience exactly she is intelligent the question is conjunction question yeah you know the use of for the use of but the use of for and the use of or እናቃቸዋለን እነዚህ አጠቃቀማቸው በስካላቸው ትክክል ነው ምክንያቱም ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ስለሆኑ ማለት ነው she is intelligent but she lacks experience match 22 that was a blank beautiful performance that was a blank beautiful performance real really most real more real what do you think of yeah what kind of question is this የትኛው part of speech ነው የምፈልገው really ካላችሁ absolutely because really by itself is an adverb ነው ያ because this word is an adjective. One of the use of adverb is it describes adverbs or maybe adjectives or maybe what verboችን modify ያደርጋል ማለት ነው right verboችን modify ያደርጋል ስለዚህ ማን ነው መልሳችሁ really that was a really beautiful performance that was really a nice shirt that is really or this is really a nice presentation a nice performance really is the correct answer here. Nice. By the end of this year, she belonged as a teacher for 2 decades. Yeah. በዚህ ዓመት መጨረሻ ለሁለት አስርተ ዓመታት መምህርነቷን ትሰራለች for 2 decades ለሁለት አስርተ ዓመታት ቅድም ያስረዳሁት ጉዳይ ነው will have worked the future prophet here because there is a signal expression by the end of this year. Nice. nothing else ሌላ ምንም ሊሆን የሚችል ነገር የለንም ማለት ነው. Question number 24. While I blank the report, the phone rang. While I blank the report, the phone rang. Yeah, right. The phone rang is which is short action, but this one is long action. So simply it's past continuous question. While I was writing here, while I was writing the report, the phone rang. While I was in the middle of writing the report, suddenly the phone rang. That's an example of past continuous. So we sometimes use while for one progressive action and one past action. The same function with when, one progressive action, one long action with one short action. Sometimes they have such kinds of usage of when and while in case of the past continuous absolute disaster. So the right answer here is was working. And then again, እንዳይሸውዳችሁ ፈላው ምንድነው past tense መጠቀም እንችላለን በዋይልም በወይንም ነገር ግን ኤቨንቱን ዩዝ ብያቸው አክቲቪቲውን ሩት አክቲቪቲውን ስከቱት ይሄ ራይት የሚለው ነገር ሲሆን ሾርት አክሽን ነው ሎንግ አክሽን ነው እሱም በደንብ መታየት አለበት. Question number 25. She belong in London since 2050. Yeah, right. She lives the simple present. It doesn't take since time አይፈልግም. Is living present continuous. It never go with since አይፈልግም. And lived simple past. It never need with ይሄን አይፈልግም. So it has been living. በቃ ባጭር መስራት ማለት ነው because there is an important time adverb which give us clues to use only the present continuous or the present perfect. Yeah, the present perfect. Yeah, she has been living in London since 2050 means starting from 2050 until the time of speaking she is in London ነው ማለት ይባላል መነሻ ሐሳብ ነው alright it answers the question how long ነው ይመልሳል present perfect continuous ስትጠቀሙ it answers the question how long has she been living since 2050 since 2050 or for maybe 8 or 10 years you can right. They planned the project before the manager arrived. Nice, please. This is another question, please. They belong here. They belong here. They blank the project before the manager arrived. Finished simple present, have finished present perfect, had finished the past perfect, were finishing. No meaning. Wrong structure, no, please. Just sign it. It is the forms of tense. Were finishing. Because finish by itself completed action. No, the progressive I get is we're finishing. እየጨረሱ ቆይተዋል ብትሉ እየጨረሱ ለማለት ነው we're finished ጨርሰው ነበር ለማለት no meaning at all. Yes, one thing here before the manager arrived, this is called the very important adverbial clause or subordinate or dependent clause here. This dependent clause can be completed with simple past, right? And which is simple past? Not only the reason here, but this is called an afterward action or an afterward action. There is an action which happened before the manager arrived here. That kind of event, that kind of action should be completed with the past perfect. Actually, the past perfect. Yeah. ይሄም ያሳያች before the manager arrived ማለት ከዚህ ቀድሞ የተከናወነ ድርጊት አለ። ይሄን ድርጊት የሚያሳያቸው እዚህ ጋር arrived የሚለው ፓስ መሄድ የሚገባው አንድ ቴንስ አለ። ይሄ ቴንስ ደግሞ past perfect ጋር ነው የሚሄደው። ለምሳሌ ማለት ነው they had finished the project before the manager arrived ማለት ማናጀሩ ከመምጣቱ በፊት ፕሮጀክቱን ኮምፕሊት አድርገው ጨርሰውታል። ስለዚህ had finished first action ነው። the manager arrived past simple past ነው። ይሄ የpast perfect አጠቃቀም ነው። An action had taken place before the second action began ማለት ነው ይሄ አልቋል ይሄ ከመጀመሩ በፊት completely past perfect right now they belong a difficult math problem right now yes right now this is very important thing please right now they belong a difficult math they are solving present continuous right now አሁን ነው እያለ ያለው አሁን ማለት present continuous which is temporary situation an action is activating at the time we're speaking አንደኛው an action is activating at the moment ሁለተኛው it shows future planned action ሶስተኛው አራተኛው it shows about changes increases decreases አራተኛው የpresent continuous አጠቃቀም from that ይሄ an action is happening at the time we're speaking right now እያለ ሌላ ቴንስ አልጠቀም interesting question all the 27 questions are grammar based questions yeah grammar based I think take us a clue and just use this as maybe next questions are context vocabulary questions yeah actually there are some more strategies to define or to use or to complete the question or to treat or to understand the difficult questions when you are taking for examinations or when you are studying or when you are maybe just reading fictions and magazines there are some important strategies so actually I don't have time to tell you about the strategies but I want to show you some of the strategies here whenever I'm doing for the question yeah vocabulary questions ስናነበር ጥያቄ ስንመልስም ስትራቴጂዎች ነው ኢምፕሎይ የምናደርገው ስለዚህ ስትራቴጂዎቹ ሰፊና ኢምፖርታንት በጣም ጠቃሚ ስትራቴጂዎች ናቸው ያ እዚህ ጋር አሁን ስትመልሱ አንደኛ vocabulary ወርዶቹን በደንብ መረዳት መቻል አለባቸው ሁለተኛ ጥያቄው መረዳት ምንድነው የሚፈልገው ኮምፕሊሽን ነው የጠየቃቸው ስለዚህ ጥያቄው ምንድነው የሚፈልገው the new evidence was to the case the new evidence was belong to the case here crucial means very important minor is not important which is easy optional no need to use sometimes use is optional you can use or you cannot use redundant repeating so repeating yeah maybe so the answer is crucial means very important very useful yeah the evidence was crucial to the case right crucial to the case very important to the case the rest do not define for the question ሌሎቹ ተመሳሳይ ሐሳብ ናቸው ያላቸውና ሐሳቡን ኮምፕሊት ያደርጉት አይችሉም ማለት ነው his explanations were so blank that nobody could follow exactly ያያችሁ አይደለ አሁን እዚህ ጋር ተመልከቱ እዚህ ጋር the most thing ነው nobody could follow አላችሁ ያ nobody could follow ካለ እዚህ ጋር የምትከቱት ቃል ኔጌቲቭ የሆነ ቃል ነው ማለት ነው አንደኛ ቬግ ሊሆን ይችላል ambiguous ሊሆን ይችላል confusion ሊሆን ይችላል maybe aggressive ሊሆን ይችላል or energetic ሊሆን ይችላል which expression which have negative meaning actually ስለዚህ ቬግ ካላችሁ absolutely ማለት ነው ቬግ ማለት ነው exactly level nobody could treat it nobody could understand yeah his explanation was so vague that nobody could follow exactly difficult or ambiguous question number 30 the two leaders had a long discussion about trade hostile discussion what about fruitful means productive industrious discussion shallow means not the intensity is not and it's not shallow means very thin right it doesn't deal about a very critical discussion critical thinking is yeah or which is shallow thin no fruitful idea or what about here violent not violent actually yes so fruitful okay fruitful ሌሎች ሐሳቦች ከዚህ ጋር ሊሄዱ fruitful ማለት ውጤታማ ስለ ሁለቱ አመራሮች ወይም ስራ አስኪያጆች በንግዱ ዙሪያ ያደረጉት ውይይት ውጤታማ ነው ካለ ፕሮዳክቲቭ ነው ኢንዱስትሪየስ ነው fruitful ነው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ the answer is fruitful he is known for his blank behavior he never shouts or gets angry exactly guess ይላችሁ he never አላችሁ እዚህ ጋር he never shouts or what angry because that's the question please ስለዚህ ሰውየው ምንድነው ማለት ነው calm ነው ማለት ያ calm behavior exactly calm ይሄን ካወቃችሁ ምንም አያስችልም he is known for his calm behavior he never shouts or gets angry ጥሩ ባህሪ ያለው ምንም አይጮህም ወይም ሰዎችን አይባብሳጭም ወይም አይበሳጭም aggressive ከሆነ እንደዚህ he never aggressive someone who is aggressive energetic not good behavior all right a cruel or rude behavior aggressive nervous pissed off ማለት ነው nervous ማለት angry upset disappointed yes right arrogant very stupid behavior right calm is cool behavior cool behavior because he never shouts or gets angry so the answer is Exactly. He is known for his calm behavior. Exactly. Nice. Question number 32. The book provides a blank account of the war. The book provides a blank account of the war. A detail means a very detailed information about the war. A very brief, something which is critical and detailed. What about fictional is an imagery. Imagery, yes, an imagery, yeah. What about humorous? Humorous, which is humorous means laughable, yeah. Humorous, laughable. I think here, the book provides a very detailed account, critical or yeah, detailed critical account of the workplace. The company faced a blank crisis after the scandal. A serious minor, yes, a severe crisis, yes. Severe means a serious crisis, yeah. A serious crisis. He's very blank, yeah. He's very blank. He always donates to charity. Like a donate ያደርጋል ካለ generous ማለት ነው። generous ማለት ነው በነገራችን ላይ generous ማለት kind ነው። means ስትሉ selfish ነው። greedy and selfish, greedy, and what about mean? They have the same meaning. If you insert selfish, meaning also possible. If you insert mean, greedy is also possible. So the different word here is generous. He donates to charity. Absolutely right. Yes. Question number 35. The new evidence was blank to the case. Without it, they would have lost. Yes. Yes, right. The new evidence was blank to the case. Without it, they never. That's crucial. Actually, it's crucial. She felt completely blank after a 10-hour flight and went straight to bed. Right? ምንድነው ከ10 ሰዓት በረራ በኋላ በቀጥታ ምን ሆነ ነው የምትሉት? እንደልከታ ወደ መኝታ ክፍሉ ሄዷል። ወደ መኝታ ክፍሉ ሄዳለች ስትሉ energetic. Is it possible? Is someone become energetic after a 10-hour flight? Is someone exhausted? Yes. Exhausted means busyness, alright? What about refreshed? Refreshment, taking a refreshment, alright? Joyful, so exhausted, exactly. Exhausted, yeah. His explanation was so vague that nobody, exactly, yeah. Nice, please. Question number 38. 38 substitution vocabulary questions. Underlined phrases on expressions አሉ እነሱ ሊተካ የሚችል ነው አስገቡ የሚላችሁ። አሁንም her decision was fair and just, treating both sides equally. Fair, you know what fair means? Yeah, you know the common word just, fair and just, treating both sides equally. ካለ ፓርሻል አይደለም ማለት ነው። yes ፓርሻል አይደለም ማለት ነው። ፓርሻል ካልሆነ ምንድን ነው ኢኩዊቴብል ነው የምትሉት ማለት ነው። yes ኢኩዊቴብል ነው ማለት ነው። ኢኳሊ ትሪትድ ማድረግ ነው ኢኩዊቴብል ማለት ነው። nice, please. The old building was in a state of rain. In a state of rain. Rain means decay and decay ነው የሚላቸው። In a state of rain and decay. So renovated means renewed, yeah, modern and sturdy. Start down also dilapidated. Yes, dilapidated, yes, right. Great. Yeah. Question number 40. He spoke in a way that cannot be understood because of his heavy accent. How negative was it? He spoke in a way that he cannot be understood. He cannot be understood because of his heavy accent. Right? Cannot be understood, which is negative ማለት ነው። audible ነው። audible means hearable ነው ማለት ነው። በቀላሉ መሰማት የሚችል no, clear no, intelligible no, incomprehensible, unable to understand ማለት incomprehensible ማለት ያ The soldier acted with great bravery during the rescue mission. Yeah. So cowardice, fear, valor, have the tension, valor, actuality. The answer is valor. The answer is valor, yes. Great bravery. Brave ማለት ነው great bravery ማለት the soldier acted with great brave during the sacred mission. So valor means brave ለማለት ነው valor ማለት brave ማለት word fear hesitation no እነዚህ በፍጹም የራቁ ናቸው ከትርጉሙ ጋር now this is the substitution vocabulary question anyway the very important issue here is you have to treat the context and take a clue from that context and try to come to the multiple or the distractors and you have to just underline or choose the correct word which possibly substitutes for the underlined vocabulary words and phrases. Next question is basic writing or writing skill questions. Yeah, for data, which part of a formal letter appears immediately below the sender's address? Yeah, take as a formal letter. Take as an example of formal letter. On the top of the right margin is sender's address. On the top of the left of the people is receiver's or inside address or receiver's address. And below the receiver's address there is salutation or opening greeting and there is also body of the letter writing here. ጥያቄያችሁ እሱ አይደለም which part of formal letter appears immediately below the sender's address? ቀደም ልክ እንደነኳች sender's address right margin ላይ ነው የሚቀመጠው። sender's address ይቀመጣል። ለምሳሌ ቦሌ ሰብሲቲ just ቦሌ ሰብሲቲ ቀበሌ 05 and PO box or avenue ምናምን ብዬ ከዛ በኋላ ምንድነው date that I write a letter please. Date that I write. This is address of the writer ማለት ነው right? Three things are important here. አድራሻና ቀን ብቻ ነው address of the letter የምጽፈው right? ስለዚህ ማን ነው የሚጻፈው ማለት ነው? date ብዬ ነው የምጽፈው please. date ነው ከዛ ቀጥሎ የሚጻፈው date ነው። salutation አይደለም፣ subject line አይደለም፣ signature አይደለም። 43 A paragraph that describes a series of events in the order they happen is called a blank paragraph. Narrative paragraph la karachu ልክ ነው narrative paragraph because it narrates the story, it narrates about someone's bibliography, it narrates about events that happen consecutively in the past or it narrates chronologically time based ነው ናሬት ማለት አንድ ነገር መተረክ ነው ስትተርኩ ደግሞ የኢቨንቶችን ቅደም ተከተል መሰረት በማድረግ ነው የምትተርከው ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር የሚጽፈው series of events in the order ነው የሚላችሁ chronological order ማለት ነው ያካይታስ ካለ paragraph writing is narrative paragraph writing ትሉታላችሁ in a job application letter the purpose of the first paragraph is to bag application letter it might have actually 4 paragraphs the first paragraph is how you see the vacancy, second your educational background, the third your work experience, the fourth one maybe conclusion of general conclusion of your application letter. That's place here. So let's remember in a job application letter the purpose of the first paragraph is to nominacho list all your previous jobs. No ሀሳብን ሳትገልጽ መግቢያ ሳትሰጥ ኤክስፒሪየንስን አትገልጽም ask for high salary በፍጹም አይደለም state ነው የሚላችሁ the position you are applying for and how you learned about it እሱ ነው ይሄ ነው እዚህ ጋር ነው የምትጽፉት ስለዚህ የነበርክበትን ቦታ እንደገና ደግሞ ያንተን ቫካንሲውን እንዴት እንዳየው ነው የምንጽፈው ስለዚህ ሲኖ መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው choose the correct word order for a formal sentence actually sample ነው የምሰጣችሁ ቃላቶቹ እዚህ ጋር መቀመጥ አለባቸው whatever they are written here and they are written here not written here while on focus here which sentence gives complete meaning what is the correct order of words in here because words which are arranged which can be situated in the correct order and they build a sentence and the sentence will give meaning actually if that is beyond that that's not a sentence because the problem is arrangement of words are incoherent right sent a letter በቃ ተበላሸ I sent a letter to the manager yesterday okay to the manager I said no yesterday sent በፍጹም ተበላሸ ዘገና ስትተት ሐሳቡ እንደዚህ ነው ወጥቶ በቃ ሰዓት ያትገሉ ማለት ነው ፈርስት ስቴት መደረግ ያለበት ሰብጀክት ነው ከዛ verb ነው ከዛ ኦብጀክት ነው ከዛ prepositional phrase ምናምን ፍሬዞች እየቀጠሉ ይሄዳሉ በverb ጀምራ አይደለም ይሄዳል በኢንፊኒቲቭ ፍሬዝ ጀምራ አይደለም በታይም አድርጎ ጀምራ አይደለም ኢቭን እንኳን እዚህ በቃ ጀምራ እዚህ ጋር ኮማ ጀምሮ ልክ መምጣት ማቻለበት አይ መምጣት መቻለበት አይ ሴንት ሌተር ተማራጭ ይችላል ለምሳሌ እንደዚህ ብል ይችላል yes I sent እንደዚህ ይችላል I sent a letter to ይሄን አጥፍቼው እንደዚህ I sent a letter to ይችላል yes I sent a letter to I sent a letter to the manager ይቻላል possible ነው ይሄ እንደውም more emphasis ማድረግ እንፈልግ ከሆነ I can begin a sentence with time adverbs possible no but no comma no subject and its place so it doesn't give sense place ሊሰጥ አይችልም ማለት ነው the problem is here please ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው question number 46 the closing salutation your sincerely is used in a formal letter when sincerely and formal letter your sincerely yours ወይም sincerely ብላችሁ ስትጨርሱ የምትጽፉለትን ሰውዬ ምን ሲሆን ነው እየጠየቃችሁ ያለሁት when you don't know the recipient's name right ማታውቁት ከሆነ ደብዳቤ ተቀባዩ ወይም የምትጽፉለትን ሰውዬ ካላወቃችሁ ነው you know the recipient's name example dear or Mr. Smith ብላችሁ ስታውቁት you are writing to a friend ጓደኛ no you are sending an email without a subject so the answer is what if you know a person that you write your closing salutation will be your sincerely yours or sincerely if you do not know the person you write your affectionately or your faithfully is right best regards best wishes sometimes possible no please that's please 48 arrange the following parts of an application letter in the correct order ይሄን በአፕሊኬሽን ሌተር ላይ እነዚህ ኢምፖርታንት ፓርትስ ናቸው እነዚህ በቀደም ተከተላቸው ሲቀመጡ የትኛው መጀመሪያ መምጣት ያለበት ነው ናቸው signature which never come at the beginning but it comes at the end body paragraph maybe it's not a sender's address of course sender's address and date እሱ መጀመሪያ ቶፕ ማርጂን ላይ ይመጣል second one salutation ይመጣል salutation means opening salutation ነው የምትመጣው opening salutation ስለዚህ 3-4 ትላላችሁ ከኦፕኒንግ ሳሉቴሽን ቀጥላችሁ ቦዲ ፓራግራፍ ኳሊፊኬሽናችሁ ይመጣል and then ከዛ በኋላ 3-4 መጣችሁ ከዛ ክሎዚንግ ፌዝፉሊ ኦር ሴንሰርሊ ተዘጋላችሁ ፋይናሊ ክሎዚንግ ታመጣላችሁ so the answer is what ይሄን ነው የምታመጡት ማለት ነው ይሄ በደንብ ይዩት please the first one address salutation body closing and signature this is the right order please another question here is which sentence follows correct English word order she goes often to the library this is the use of adverse of frequency actually adverse of frequency has 3 basic structures so አጠቃቀሞች አሉት when the sentence might use before of verbs or the sentence used before action verbs and the third one when the sentence has 2 different verbs and when do we use or insert any kind of adverse of frequency ይሄን በደንብ ማየት ነው she goes often to the library no often she goes to the library no she often goes to the library exactly ይሄ ህግ ምንድነው የሚሰራላችሁ ይሄ ህግ ምንድነው this is adverse of frequency ነው ትሩቲን adverse of frequency ነው absolutely right what about this one goes action verb ነው አንድ አረፍተ ነገር action verb ካለው ከአክሽን verb ቀድሞ adverse of frequency ይገባል ይሄ ነው ሁለተኛው አንድ አረፍተ ነገር before of verb ከያዘ ከbefore of verb ቀጥሎ ነው adverse of frequency she is always busy ነው she is always busy is plus adverse of frequency appropriate structure ነው ሶስተኛው she has always been ብዬ ልገልጽ እችላለሁ በሃዝ እና በቢን መካከል any adverse of frequency insert ባደርጋለን these are actually the remedial question actually I try to touch the key parts of your remedial questions I hope the questions are very important we show you the approach of the question you understand you make ready to answer to treat your university entrance examination actually but you have to give a serious attention while you are watching for the video please this should be maybe the last or the end of remedial presenting or uploading or presenting these topics on air and if you have any question maybe things which are not clear try to contact through my contact address actually this is እንዴት ብዬ ልገልጽ የምቻለው ብዙ ተማሪዎች ከተለያየ ዩኒቨርሲቲ እየደወላችሁ የምትጠይቁ ነገር አለ እጅግ ጥሩ ነው። ኦፍ ኮርስ የምችለውን ነገር ለማድረግ ሞክሬያለሁ። በተቻለ አቅም ዩቲዩብን ሼር፣ ላይክ እና ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁ እንዳትረሱ። ለዛሬ እዚህ ጋር ይበቃኛል። ታንኪዩ፣ አመሰግናለሁ።